Hey guys, it's Jose here. I want to welcome you guys back to another episode. I got something really special planned, something really exciting for this episode, guys. I cannot wait. But before anything, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell if you want to stay up to date on all my content. So anyone that's been watching my videos knows that I got rid of the Acura RSX, and it's been a couple days since then, and I've been looking for a new car. And just last night, something crazy happened. So right now I'm recording this hoping that everything does go well. But if everything does go well, by the end of the day I should have this really amazing car. I'm excited. So yeah guys, let me take you guys to the laptop and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So guys, feast your eyes on this. So this is a 2009 135i. The car currently has 115,000 miles on it. And if you guys check it out, it looks really clean. And it's a convertible. And it's manual, guys. And it's M Sport, guys. I'm so excited. So here's the description, guys. It already comes with the JB4, a charge pipe, a blow-off valve. It already has this downpipes. It has the aftermarket wheels, and everything else works. The car is honestly in pretty good shape, guys. I'm so excited. So yeah, hopefully by tonight we get to take a look at this car, and if we're lucky and the car works and everything works as good as he says it does, we're going home with the new 135i, guys. This car is honestly one of my dream cars, guys. Hopefully I could get my hands on it. I think it would be a really great car to have. So wish me luck, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, the time has come. I'm about to go look at that 135i right now. We have about a 1 hour drive, so let's see how this goes. I'm here at Red Rocks right now. You ready, bud, or what?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. So we're about a minute away, guys. I'm excited to see this car. Dang. Sheesh, that thing is so clean. It's automatic, right?
Yeah. Let me drive it one last time.
Listen to those, bro. Here at 7-Eleven, guys. Got the new Beamer.
You already feel it?
No, I forgot, my bad.
Just drop from the top.
Check out all these Beamer keys. I got the 135i and the 335i. guys, 2 Beamers now. N55. And then I got the N54 over here. Sorry if it was too hard to see the car yesterday, guys. But now that it's the next day and the sun's out, I'm gonna give you guys a better look of the car. So what do you guys think? Is it a good buy or not? I'm so in love with this car already. It's so fast. It just needs some love and attention, but honestly, for the price, it's unbeatable. Check it out, guys. This is my favorite part. Here's a little better look of the interior. So guys, right now I'm gonna take the car around the block. That way you guys can see how the car drives and how it sounds. So fast, guys. Those burbles, guys. I'm so in love with those burbles. this car so fast I can't even go to third gear. Alright guys, that's enough of that. I'm gonna end up getting a ticket or something, so I'm gonna just take it to the house. Well guys, that's the 135i for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. For me, this is super exciting because the 135i has always been my dream car, and I just love BMWs, and I'm just so thankful that I have the opportunity to own 2 of them. So guys, be sure to let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you guys want to stay up to date on all my content. And as always guys, don't forget to leave this video with a thumbs up. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.